Ganon. Yeah. Yeah. Woo! Very good, guys. Good job, baby. You're not scared? Yes. Yes, very good.
Tingnan mo ano na kain.
Wow.
Kuya, let me see. Like anytime you want to spin.
Wow, Sammy.
How was it? Good?
Wow. It's good.
Strawberry sandwich. Banana cube. Crunchy? Crunchy?
Happy one. Spin.
Crunchy the wheel.
Taste it, Trisha.
Tingin ka dito sa...
Uy.
Yung lollipop ko na. How was it? Cindy!
Oh, share with Kuya Seb. Is it yummy, baby? It's yummy? Sino? Sino gift sa'yo? Ha? Kita Kati? Alright. It's yummy? Okay. Bring the used diaper.
Okay.
Up, lagay yung smell. Smell. Oh?
No.
Okay. 1 point for Ali, 1 point for Chloe. First 3 points naman. You still have chances. More chances. Wristwatch! Oh, dyan na naman. Di maghanap tayo sa ibang lugar. Relo! Walang may mga suot. Bilis! Find your mommy! Pink blanket, Elias. Pink blanket. Upstairs! Belt! Belt, kuya! Belt, sinturon! Kuya, kuya! There! Belt, sinturon! Belt! Sa room! Sa room! Sa room! Ayun na kay kuya! Nakita mo ba yun? It's okay. I'll go. 1 point for kuya. No, no, try. Remote! Ang bilis din sa mga. Oh, grabe! Bilis din sa mga. Oh, 1 point for Ate Sam. 1 point for everyone. Oh, galing mo. Blue sandal, Stella. Blue sandal, Stella. Find it. Where? Save the house. Sarah, find it. Ako kami sa atin. Ang dami dito pa. Oo, siya kasi nakamira dito. Kaya kami sa atin yan. Hey guys! Day 2 ng pagsuswimming. Oh, may magsuswimming din, oh. Oh. Go, Zoe! Wow, galing Zoe! Galing Zoe pala. Oh. Seth, come here! Hawakan mo sa subject. Wow, galing naman. Hindi ka maalis sa pwesto mo, Vince. Hindi ka maalis sa pwesto. Oh, go! Oh, galing na. Galing naman, Awi. Lapit ka ulit, lapit. Ayun na short din. Ayun na short din na dyan. Oh no. Ayun na, runong ka na. Oo, ganun ang paa mo. Oh, lapit ka sa akin, di ba? Ganun ang paa mo, ganun. Wait mo yung paa mo, wait. Oh, lapit na. Go! Nee! Eh, pala lola! Yay! Galing na swimming yan ah. Hulog mo. Hinulog eh. Happy, happy kiddo, swimming always. Up. Wow, may our mermaid, our mermaid ate Sam. Go swim. Swim, more swim. Swim like a mermaid. Wow. And there's a whale. Oh.